Good morning, Corey Frazier here with Castle Auto Sales at hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 5.7 liter Hemi 6-speed manual Laramie. Just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you're seeing, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, those kind of things. We do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Just reach out and give me a call or text for further details and an instant quote. Get up close and personal here on you. One shot here. Really clean. I mean, I don't see any dents, dings, no huge scratches. Tiny little dent in the bumper right there, nothing horrible. Toe pack, bed liner. Try to get under here the best I possibly can. This is a 2-owner out of Washington. Go back to the angles here for you. I'll pop the hood on this one. We have some interest, gentlemen, in Texas. So the FedEx guy coming by. All right. This is Laramie, so fog lights. Try to get under here best I can. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Open this up here. Widen out. I like getting around the door frames. It's the first thing I look for. But here's a manufacturer sticker. You can pause the video, screenshot, and zoom in for further details. So it's going to have the premium sound, the wood grain, power windows, power locks, power seats here, condition of the leather. Leather's in pretty good condition for an 06. Center console, seat 6 if needed. Passenger seat there. Let's go ahead and unlock and grab the back here for you real quick. Open that up. Widen out the shot here. Rear slider. Leather seats in the back are in great condition. Frankly, it doesn't look like anybody ever sat in them. Alright, so power pedal adjusters, steering wheel controls, mileage there, but we'll turn it over here in just a moment. Stock stereo, 4-wheel drive, AC blows cold, 6-speed manual, the rear slider back there, and then up here you have the trip computer, destination to empty, compass, temperature, those kind of things, and then the auto dim rear view mirror. Now I have to climb into this thing here. Start it. Sorry about this, folks. Bear with me a quick moment. Oh, all right. Turn it over. Keep thinking diesel. I gotta wait for the glow plug. There's a mileage there. As you can see, no check engines, nothing like that. Let's get
Freeze in my mouth.
Alright, AC does blow cold. Alright, make sure it's in neutral here. Pop the hood and check out some lights. Alright. Tinted windows. It's nice. Pop the hood here on this guy. Widen it out here. Great shape. I like looking around here to see for any rust back here, stuff like that. Yeah, this is virtually rust free. All right, and I like looking along the rims here. Those would really get rusted out if there's rust. But anyways, widen this out here. Well, guys, I mean, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, if you have questions about the instant quote or the delivery process nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska, again, just reach out, give me a call or a text. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.